Hi guys, it's Jim Bounds at Motorhome Rehab Ranch, and thanks for a few minutes. Time passes quickly. Remember I was telling you about we're going to drive a coach to Wyoming. That happens Monday. Yeah, and so I'm getting ready for that. All of the projects that we've been working on, I know maybe a little bit annoying, but all the projects having to do with the drive shaft, the gussets, and body pads and all that, we need to put those on hold until I get back. One exciting thing at a time. We're going to leave Monday. I've talked to a bunch of ranch hands on the way. We're going to unfortunately not go to Atlanta. Sorry about that, brother. We're going to go up I-10 and then go north to Mark, we're on the way. We're going to go to Bessemer, and then from there we're going to go due west out of Alabama. We are going to go to Colorado, so you folks there, we're going to stop to see you. But along the way, if you're around, let me know. Let me know what your addresses are. For you guys that are working on the body pads and all that, we haven't put your coach down yet. You just got all the bolts loose and all that, right? Well, the next thing that we are going to do, and you can have some time on this, is you're going to need to remove the toilet. Yeah, because the holding tank is attached to the frame, and the toilet flange is connected to the bottom of the body. So you got to pull the toilet, unscrew the toilet flange and the screws that hold it, and then unscrew the toilet flange from the holding tank. All right. Now there's also two other pipes coming down, but they will have enough movement to be okay. It's just that 3-inch pipe going into the holding tank is a problem. So if you want to start eyeballing that, when we get back, I should have the prototypes of the gussets from one of the ranch hands. I have another ranch hand working on another very exciting thing. I got to slow down on some of these things. I need to get them in the pipeline before I tell you guys about them. So just take some time here. Go hug your motorhome. Go wash it. Go feel good about it, and follow us. Now I'm hoping to upload videos while we drive. So remember this. Yes. We're here to talk about information, about how to do things and all that. But these things are the joy, to go out on the road and to experience. And that's what we're going to do. And I'm hoping to bring you guys with us. All right. So stand by. And next week is going to be rock and roll. All right. Thank you for your support. Hit like and share and all that. Get people ready for this trip to Wyoming. We're trying to beat the snow. Now, you say snow. I'm a flatlander. I'm from Florida. I was born here, pretty much raised here. Snow's a new thing for me, so you guys may want to kind of follow along and see how I slip and slide. Be very interesting. All right, listen, at the bottom of this video is a picture of the coach that we're going to drive. The second picture you see are the painters and mechanics that are getting it ready for me, and in the background you'll see the color that it is now. Yeah, they painted it. All right, thank you for your support, ranch hands, and you guys that feel that this is a lot of fun and stuff. Get involved. Sign on. There'll be a lot of things coming next year. I'm so excited. We have an editor now, so we're going to be getting into some neat things. And listen, while I'm gone too, go check out the database. Seriously, kind of rummage around. It's a little bit I'm trying to make it a little bit better, but right now there's a lot of stuff there. You get familiar with it, all right? All right, well, look, we'll see you later.